In today's digital age, artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Imagine having a tool that can analyze trends, optimize your workflows, and automate complex tasks, all in a fraction of the time it would take you to do manually. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to harness the power of AI. From automating your content creation to analyzing investment opportunities, AI can help you grow your income faster than ever before. In this video, we'll dive into the top AI tools you can use right now to supercharge your wealth-building journey. Whether you're looking to make smarter investment decisions, streamline your business processes, or create digital assets that generate passive income, AI can help you do it more efficiently. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know exactly which AI tools to incorporate into your financial strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more cutting-edge tips for building wealth in the digital age. Let's jump in. 1. Understand the role of AI in wealth building. Before you can effectively use AI tools to grow your wealth, it's important to understand how AI can be a game changer. AI's real power lies in its ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data quickly, delivering insights and recommendations that would be impossible or too time-consuming for humans to do manually. This means you can make data-driven decisions faster and more accurately, whether you're managing investments, analyzing market trends, or automating parts of your business. 2. AI tools for smarter investment decisions. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow wealth, but making the right decisions can be overwhelming. AI-powered platforms like Wealthfront, Betterment, and Fundrise are designed to analyze the markets, predict trends, and automate your investment strategy based on your financial goals. These tools use algorithms to manage risk, rebalance portfolios, and make adjustments automatically, ensuring that your money is working for you 24/7. 3. Automating business operations with AI is not just for personal wealth building, it's also a powerful tool for growing your business. By automating routine tasks like customer service, marketing campaigns, and inventory management, AI can free up valuable time and allow you to focus on the bigger picture. Tools like ChatGPT for customer interactions, Jasper for content creation, and HubSpot's AI-driven CRM system help you automate time-consuming tasks, improve productivity, and generate more revenue with less effort. 4. Using AI to create passive income streams. Creating passive income is a key strategy for long-term wealth building, and AI can help you scale it faster than ever before. Whether you're creating an online course, building a blog, or running a YouTube channel, AI tools can streamline your content creation process, optimize SEO, and even manage your content distribution. AI-powered platforms like Copy.ai and Writesonic can generate high-quality written content in minutes, allowing you to focus on expanding your digital assets rather than constantly producing content. 5. AI for financial planning and budgeting. Managing your finances is one of the most important aspects of wealth building, and AI tools can help you make better financial decisions with less effort. Personal finance apps like Mint and YNAB, You Need a Budget, leverage AI to track your spending, suggest savings strategies, and automatically categorize transactions. These tools give you real-time insights into your financial health and suggest ways to optimize your budget for maximum savings. 6. AI-driven content creation for monetization. Creating high-quality content is essential to building a brand and generating income online, and AI can significantly reduce the time and effort required. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Writesonic allow you to generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts in a fraction of the time it would take to write manually. These AI tools use natural language processing, NLP, to create content that reads like it was written by a human, ensuring it resonates with your audience and ranks well on search engines. The power of AI in content creation is not limited to just text. AI tools like Lumen 5 and Pictory can help you turn written content into engaging videos, allowing you to reach audiences on YouTube and other video platforms. By automating content production, you can generate more content consistently, building your digital presence and monetizing through ads, affiliate marketing, and product sales. 7. AI for e-commerce success. Running an e-commerce business can be challenging, but AI-powered tools can help you streamline operations, improve customer experience, and increase sales. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce have integrated AI features that recommend products, personalize the shopping experience, and optimize pricing strategies based on demand. These tools analyze customer data in real time, allowing you to offer a more tailored shopping experience that increases conversions. AI can also help you manage your inventory more efficiently. Tools like NetSuite and TradeGecko use AI to track stock levels, predict demand, and automatically reorder products. This reduces the chances of stockouts and excess inventory, ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently. By leveraging AI in your e-commerce store, you can grow your sales without the need for constant hands-on management. 8. AI for stock market analysis. The stock market can be unpredictable, but AI can give you a significant edge in your trading and investment decisions. Platforms like Quant Connect, Trade Ideas, and Alpha Vantage use AI algorithms to analyze stock market data, predict price movements, and even suggest buy and sell signals based on historical trends and real-time data. These tools can help you make smarter, more informed trades with less effort, significantly improving your chances of success. AI-powered tools can also help with risk management. By analyzing past performance, volatility, and market conditions, AI can help you design a balanced portfolio and minimize potential losses. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, AI tools can take the guesswork out of the market, helping you build wealth faster and more reliably. 9. AI for real estate investment. Real estate has always been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth, but finding the right properties to invest in can be time-consuming and challenging. AI-powered platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and Roofstock use data analysis to predict the best real estate investment opportunities based on location, pricing trends, and potential return on investment. These tools can help you find undervalued properties and identify profitable areas to invest in. Additionally, AI can help you manage your real estate portfolio more efficiently. Tools like Property Nest and Stessa automatically track rental income, expenses, and profitability, providing real-time insights into your investments. With AI, you can make data-driven decisions about which properties to buy, sell, or hold, ensuring that your real estate portfolio grows faster and with greater returns. 10. Future-proof your wealth with AI automation. The future of wealth building lies in automation, and AI is leading the charge. By automating tasks like content creation, investment analysis, financial planning, and business operations, you can free up more time to focus on growth and innovation. The key to long-term success is leveraging AI tools that can handle repetitive tasks and allow you to scale faster than ever before. As AI continues to evolve, new opportunities will arise to grow your wealth in ways we can't even imagine yet. Stay ahead of the curve by continually learning about new AI tools and how they can help you optimize your financial strategy. Whether it's enhancing your investment strategy, automating your business, or creating new income streams, AI can give you the competitive edge you need to thrive in the digital age. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone looking to grow their wealth quickly and efficiently. Whether you're automating your business, optimizing investments, or creating digital products, AI tools can help you scale faster and smarter than ever before. The future of wealth building is here, and it's powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on how to leverage the power of AI to build your digital empire. Start using these tools today, and watch your income grow like never before. Until next time.